reinforcement drawing. The type of the ties and shape of them is determined by this tie schedule table. You say if the tie is labeled T1A, it means the bar diameter is N10, and distance between each tie to the one after that is 350, and they have 5 legs. And here, as you can see, this set of ties, 5 of this tie are laid down from this arrow to this arrow between these two extension lines. This brief introduction to this drawing I gave you is because I wanted to tell you how does the application which I wrote works. Okay, for instance, you say we want to have a T1A ties, as I said, N10 355 legs, and the extension arrow we wanted from this arrow to here and inside this beam. I'll just quickly run the application. First thing first, user of this application will be prompted to pick the edge of the beam here, and we know by doing this the set of ties will be laid down horizontally inside that beam, and the second edge of the beam. Now we have determined the width of the beam, and the user don't need to manually insert any information into the application because these are extracted from the drawing itself. And now user is prompted to pick up the first point of the extension arrow which we want to lay down our ties in. So you say from here we want our ties to continue to here. Depth of the beam, we know it is 450, for instance. And we're pressing OK. You can determine the shape of the ties. In this case, it's an open ties, and it had 5 legs. Yeah. Bar diameter was 10. Number of set of ties either can be inserted by user or it can be auto counted. In this case we wanted auto counted, and it's the distance between each tie to the one next to it is 350. Press OK. Here we go. We have this block inserted to our drawing which contains all the information in regard to that ties. Bar centers are 350, which means the distance between each ties to the one next to it. And by having this, we calculated the total number of ties which need to be laid down in the extension arrow distance. It's automatically calculated. The number of bars is 25, and the bar length is also automatically calculated. In this case it's 5,350. So we just by clicking this, we knew it was 25 bars there, and then just saying T1A, apply it and OK. So we know 25 bars are between these two arrows. This is useful because in later application which I wrote, I also linked this information to the other program called Struct Plus, and by doing this we were able to calculate, as you can see in this table here, we were able to calculate the total tonnage of the bars used inside this particular drawing.